everyone, I am Sanjana Pira. In this video, I will explain problems related to the subject Analog and Digital Electronics. First question is, determine the minimal sum and minimal product for f of ABCD, which is equal to summation m 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 13 plus d, which means don't case, 6, 9, 10 using K-map. K-map is nothing but Karnoff map. So first I will solve this problem by SOP method. Full form of SOP is sum of products. First a table should be drawn in which the variables given in the question should be written. A and B should be made a pair and written in column side and as A bar, B bar, A bar, B, AB and AB bar. In the same way, C and D is made as another pair and written in the row heading as C bar, D bar, C bar, D, CD and CD bar. The position order or position number is shown in the small brackets. The order will be as follows: 0, 1, 3, 2 in the first row, 4, 5, 7, 6 in the second row, 12, 13, 15, 14 in the third row and 8, 9, 11, 10 in the fourth row. The table is filled using three terms only: 1, 0 and x. Number 1 is written for places which are mentioned in the question. In this problem, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 13 are the numbers mentioned in the question. So, in these places 1 is filled. We should next look at the don't case, which is mentioned as D of 6, 9, 10. In 6th, 9th and 10th position, x is written. After writing these numbers, the left out places are filled with zeros. So, the complete table is filled now. Next step is grouping. We should group all the ones either in the form of octant, quadrant or pairs. X can be considered as 1 wherever grouping is necessary. So here all the ones are grouped and after grouping, I got 1 quadrant and 2 pairs. Next step is to write the equation including these three groups. There is a pattern to write the equation. First I will take the quadrant. Quadrant lies between the rows A bar, B bar and A bar, B and columns CD and CD bar. So while writing the equation, B bar B and D bar D gets cancelled. A bar C will be left out, so it will be written in the equation. Since it is a quadrant, I will get a pair of two variables. In the same way, pairs are also named and we get a group of three variables in this case. So at last I will get three groups A bar C, AC bar D and AB bar C bar. All these three groups are added to form the final equation. Next method is POS, which means product of sum. The table is constructed and filled in the same way as it was done in SOP, but here there is a small change, that is, instead of grouping ones, we group zeros. X is considered as 0 whenever grouping is necessary. In this problem, I got two quadrants and one pair after grouping. It is named and the equation is also written in the same way as it was done in SOP. After writing the equation, a bar should be put on both LHS and RHS so that we can convert the obtained SOP equation to POS equation. In the next step, wherever there is multiplication symbol, we should replace it with addition, that is plus symbol, and vice versa. That is, we should replace addition symbol with multiplication symbol. Double bars get cancelled and bar appears for the variables which had no bars before. In this problem, the SOP equation is A bar C bar plus AC plus BC bar D bar. After writing bar, it got changed to POS, that is A plus C into C bar plus A bar into B bar plus C plus D. Here, bars on A bar, C bar and D bar gets cancelled and it appears on A, C and B. Hence, in this way, problem on K-map can be solved. Second problem is, solve the function using Quine-Mcclusky method f of ABCD, which is equal to sigma m 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. To solve this problem, first column should be written with minterms. Minterms are nothing but the numbers given in the question are written as subscripts for m one by one. After that, the binary form of numbers are written. Binary form of 2 is 0010, of 3 is 0011, of 5 is 0101, of 6 is 0110, of 8 is 1000, of 10 is 1010, of 12 is 1100, of 14 is 1110. In the next column, grouping of these binary numbers is done. Binary numbers with no 1 in it is considered as the first group. Binary numbers with only one 1 in it is considered as second group. Binary numbers with two ones in it is taken as third group, and the other members are written in group 4. Next column is named as stage 1. In stage 1, first group is compared with second group is compared with third group, and third is compared with fourth group. Wherever there is dissimilarities, dash is written in such places. After stage 1, stage 2 will be the next column. In stage 2, the groups of stage 1 are compared. Here we get two dissimilarities while comparing the groups of stage 1. So 2 dashes are written. Finally, I got 4 numbers at the end in which 2 are similar. That is, 2, 6, 10, 14 is similar to 2, 10, 6, 14. And 8, 10, 12, 14 is similar to 8, 12, 10, 14. Since 2 are similar, I can consider any one of them. After considering one number, I will name it. In this problem, I have dash dash 10. Here, A and B places are empty, which means I should neglect A and B. In place of C, I have 1, and in place of D, I have 0. So, the variables will be C, D bar. In the same way, I get AD bar. After this step, we should perform backtracking method, which means we should check the presence of all the numbers in reverse order. First, I will go with stage 1. The first pair 2, 3 is not present in stage 2. So, I should write it below. Other than this pair, all other pairs are present in stage 2. That is 2, 6, 2, 10, 8, 10, 8, 12, 6, 14, 10, 14 and 12, 14 are all present in stage 2. Now we should check the presence of every single number. All the numbers are present except 5. So I should write 5 below along with its binary form and name it. We should add the group of variables to form the equation. Next step is to construct another table known as prime implicants table. Every group of variable along with the numbers in the brackets are written in the row heading. All the minterms are written in column heading. After constructing this table, I should fill it with tick marks only. In the first row, I have CD bar with 2, 6, 10, 14 as numbers in brackets. So I should write a tick mark below M2, M6, M10 and M14 in the same first row. Next we should check for second row and this continues till the last row. So complete table is filled now. The final step is to form the equation out of this table. First a column with single tick mark is searched. Let's start from first column. M2 has 2 tick marks, so let's neglect it for a while. Next, let's check for column M3, which has only one tick mark in the row A bar, B bar, C. So, in the final equation, A bar, B bar, C is written. Next column M5 also has one tick mark at row A bar, B, C bar, D. So, A bar, B, C bar, D is added to A bar, B bar, C. M6 column has single tick mark at the row CD bar. So CD bar is added in the equation. M8 column has also single tick mark at AD bar. So AD bar is added. Since all the 4 terms are present in the final equation in this question, but this may not be true for all the questions. So final equation will be A bar B bar C plus A bar B C bar D plus C D bar plus A D bar. Hence, in this way, problems on Quine-Mcclusky method can be solved. Thank you.